के नीचे डाल दो तो आ जाएगा, चल ही जाएगा।
Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur, ISM, that is N.
Fixed there. If it is fixed there and if released to the Moria site, that is as per the traditional boundary. Now the pillar is IT1 is fixed here. India report. I mean, then is what? I think Namjalog is down there. Yes. It's very far from here. I have gone there. It is a small step. Madam, please see whether it is.
Not only here. Direction means from wherever it is coming, it has to be in the same line only. It cannot be sent this side or that side anywhere. It has to be coming in the straight line because the boundary here is the straight line. It is not following some feature. Now the points can be here. What you are saying, the points are different, but it is a straight line. It is not a curved line.
No, this is
by the simple definition.
Straight line, but the direction is. I mean, it is.
So say that direction is. Don't say that it is not a straight line.
This is straight line.
This is a straight line. It is not a curved line. So by definition, it is a straight line. Now you are saying the pillar is at a wrong position. That is a different context.
No, I know. I mean, this pillar is fixed. Is supposed to be fixed at the right bend, not here. But it is not steep. It is very slope. We can see and examine. You have come here physically. You can verify.
When in 1876, the first time when the cairns were erected, what was the ground situation? We don't know. Now after so many 120, 30 years, we are standing here and seeing that what is the slope now.
So you are admitting that you do not know the ground situation at the time of fixing this pillar?
1876.
Okay.
1876.
1867. 1867.
Yeah.
1876. 1867.
67.
It is not 76. It is 1867. That time. So I mean, it is what I mean is the direction is wrong. It is straight line right. Now in this map it is straight, but suppose it is to be southeasterly. Southeasterly, as per this map.
These cairns were erected in 1896.
1896, that's right. That records
not 1867.
1896.
1896.
1896, yes. Right. You are right. I think that's right.
This is, if you are talking about Survey of India record, this is what Survey of India record says.
That I do agree. We do accept this.
So far we have agreed.
Yeah, we have agreed that it is based on 1896 this thing. That's we do agree.
Not only map. Even the cairn was erected here.
Yeah,
cairn was erected here.
The definition is there, but the cairn, the place of the erection of the cairn is wrong, and the place of the fixation of this boundary is wrong.
Secondary issue is now, well, because you were saying that in 1967, when we signed the agreement, that time this pillar was fixed at the wrong position, so that is not the correct statement. It was in 1896, the cairn was located here, at this point.
No, that the villagers can say that.
Again,
you are wrong. The place, they can locate that, you are wrong.
Okay, now listen. Before you may take the measurement, earlier the maps were prepared on average datum. Okay? Now this GPS is working on WGS 84 datum. Okay? This is 24 degree.
24 degree, 19 minutes.
24 degree, 19 minutes, 41.36.
41.36.
Longitude. And longitude is 94.
So can I take a snap of this one?
Which one?
This.
Yeah. Verified this coordinates and it is correct.
I mean,
Now I'll show you 2-3 more things. Coordinates of BP 81. It's
Namjelok and the Namjopa is there. Upstream should be somewhere here. Upstream of the Namjelok, right bank. Okay, let it be right bank, 120 meters. But the pillar is fixed here. The difference is there. So let us go and see the junction.
no. See, on satellite image it is very clearly seen. It represents ground only. So
no, we can go to on Indian side. This side. This is Indian side.
What I am trying to say, going there will not prove anything extra. What you are saying here.
But the difference is there.
Okay, we have understood your point.
That's why it is wrong. Let us remove it.
No. See, let me go through all the reports, and then only we can.
No, let us go through all the records afterwards and fix it afterwards. But for the time being, let us remove it.
No. See, anything which has been put jointly by the two governments, it is not our property. Burma and India. It has been put jointly by the two governments, so it is not only our property. If it was somewhere inside, we could have done that.
So you admit that this is controversial pillar?
No. I'm not saying what you are saying.
No.
We have understood. No.
See the difference. You are seeing and you are standing at a place. You are still denying it. What is this? We can't understand it.
I am not denying. Don't raise your voice. I am not denying. I am saying that we have understood your point. So we will go through the records. We will verify because you are saying you are saying that this is based on some records. So let me also go through those records.
Same report.
I will go through the same records only.
But
same records.
this is not on the right bank. This is on the right side. This is not steep. Yet you are here and you can see everything and you are still denying. I do not know
I am
what
not
is
denying. I have understood what you are saying.
Then please accept it. This is controversial pillar.
You are saying, na? Let me also go through my records.